From time immemorial, the universe has worked towards creating perfection. The forces of nature have come together to create a synergy of alluring beauty, a process that has taken millions and millions of years, a process that is never-ending and ever-inspiring. We at Rushil Decor Limited have drawn our inspiration from nature's perfection. From a modest start in 1993 to being a leading global player in the highly competitive decorative laminates, our journey has been focused on a single ambition: to find perfection. Every stage is an ode to excellence. Basically, the laminate consists of 3 layers of paper, namely craft paper, design paper and balancing paper, which are procured in form of a roll at the factory. We procure these raw materials from best parts of the world. The process begins with the impregnation of the craft paper, that is, application of resin on the paper. Due to the impregnation, the paper tends to get sticky and hence is dried under high temperatures. The top of the laminate is a decorative layer, also called the design paper. Whether virgin or recycled depends on the requirements of our clients. For Veer Laminates, which is one of our flagship brands, we import superior quality papers from Europe. Like the craft paper, the design paper also undergoes impregnation to ensure durability and further dried with hot air. After this, the papers are transported to the AC room and stored at a room temperature of 20 to 22 degrees Celsius. This is done in order to change the thermostatic property of the layers and ensure that the papers do not stick due to the impregnation. Further on, both the papers are stacked and are moved to the hydraulic press in heating environment with temperatures as high as 180 degree to 200 degrees Celsius, where the balancing paper is also stacked as the bottom layer to finally form the laminate sheet, which is then uniformly heated to produce a homogeneous structure. The papers are then cut into sheets as desired. The papers are then sent for smoothing and polishing. At the sorting stage, the sheets with rough surface and unfinished look are scrapped. The sheets undergo various stringent quality tests for strength and durability, scratch resistance, termite resistance, and fade resistance. The trimming machine cuts the laminate sheets to accurate sizes, in most cases 8 by 4 feet. A plastic application is then made on the upper side and the sheet is covered with brown paper in the bottom to separate the laminate sheets. The sheets are then finally packed into wooden crates and transferred to their destination or for storage at the warehouse. Amongst our other lines of expertise are Veer Prelam and Veer MDF, which are manufactured with a similar quantum of perfection and precision. Veer MDF, made from German technology, represents an advanced form of wood panels which will shape the future of furniture industry. Veer Prelam is also one of our highly sustainable products, which is rendered by specialized imported decor paper from best parts of the world. It offers no risk of delamination and is resistant to abrasion, household chemicals, cigarette burns, and cracking. All our branded products are made available at our retail store, Veer Studio. In a world filled with compromises, when you dedicate yourself to perfection, sometimes the journey becomes arduous, but it is always fulfilling. especially when you have huge base of loyal customers who believe in your products and endorse your prowess for design. With Rushil Decor, design your lifestyle.